Last week we sold 59 items for $2,020. It was a slower week because we didn't have promoted listings turned on for pretty much the whole week, and so I'm thinking that this week, coming into this week, our sales should rebound. We're going to speed run through these really quickly. I don't have a ton of time to talk about each individual item today, so we're just going to go, we're going to set a new record here. So we got a red Nintendo Wii console, the Mario 25th Anniversary Edition with the box, for $89.99. Goodfellow Men's chambray blue linen-like shorts, size 36. Those sold for $12.49. Got those for $1. Also, I believe I got that Wii for $25, and it came with Wii Sports that sold for $25. So we sold that separately. I believe that already was on the last haul video, or maybe it's on this one later. If you watch the yard sale video, I think it's called, I'll put a link to it. We got this Lego book. If you get a bunch of Lego manuals and you can lot them, or if you buy them as a lot, like a whole bunch of them, it's worth it to resell them. We sold this one for $9.99 plus shipping. A black and silver studded bra with chains, sold for $14.99. 2002 Digibattle Digimon card, sold for, I think I took $11.99 on this one. Star Wars Han Solo bust, 3D printed, 4 inches tall. This sold for $12.99. This thing was way tinier than the picture looks. Cool that we got that. Somebody must have custom made that. And then we were able to sell it. So this Fujifilm FinePix S1000, I took an offer for $19.99 on that one. That one we got for $2. Multicolor initial L pendant. This sold for $11.99. 50 cents on that one. Frigidaire, lower crisper, $39.99. This was something we got for free out of, pulled it from fridges. Life-size instant black coffin. This one sold, I think I took 15 on this one. Set of 3 Wilton heart-shaped cake pans. This went for $19.99. This was $1 for the set. Vintage Joseph Arnett. I am not even going to try and pronounce that. Cherchez La Feminine blue-green dressed lady figurine. This was a really cool looking figurine. Probably shouldn't have taken the offer of 17 on it, just because I had to really pack it and be careful with it. And it's kind of a risk, and so I'm not sure that it was worth it on this. Gap military hat, army cadet size, small, $12.50 on that one. Large sequined tote bag, sold for $19.99. Aviation Week and Space magazine, got a bunch of these. Love selling these. This went for $13.99. Sager Co. men's shirt, sold for $19.99. Vintage porcelain face, hand-painted sand body clown dolls. These are really tiny. Each one of these fit in my palm. Pretty cool set. Sold those for $44.99. Got those for, I think, $2. Victoria's Secret set of 3 multicolored bras. Those went for $5. All right. Karl Lagerfeld women's black dress, sold for $29.99. I love selling clothes when it's at least $30. That's awesome. Star Wars electronic Luke Skywalker lightsaber, sold for $39.99. This I believe I got for $3. City Chick dress Blackbird's midi fox faux wrap size extra small, $19.99. Shout out to Jordan for that. Minecraft green pattern 2-piece pajamas, $12.49. Women's size medium Marmot Persip purple blue waterproof hooded rain jacket, $24.99. Robert Zur Petra woven deep purple leather comfort penny loafers. Those went for $44.99. Polo Ralph Lauren pants men's black chino, sold for $16.99. Lane Bryant purple lined blazer, size 20, $27.49. Stussy flower smiley t-shirt, black medium, sold for $40. Eddie Bauer rain jacket. $19.99 on that one. Love that because it had a patch on it. It says certified Angus beef. Harvard University sweatshirt sold for $14.99. Roscoe 10's 7000 digital pain management unit sold for $19.99. Q-Straint automatic QRT max retractor sold for $125. That was a good one there. Fridge door bin sold for $11.99. Polo Ralph Lauren men's button-up shirt sold for $15.99. Spirit Halloween t-shirt $14.99. Got that for $1. Chaps men's collared plaid button-down shirt $19.99 on that one. LG refrigerator door bin sold for $16.99. New high power lead acid battery charger. This went for $49.99. Scum Chick women dress mesh $27.99. Wind's blowing out there. RVCA men's daggers straight stretch pants sold for $15.99. Jumbo coins, these are like large, like this size coins, sold for $49.99. Led Zeppelin tour shirt from 1975. This sold for $12.50. USA made Wranglers black denim jeans for $24.99. I Am the Vine, You Are the Branches, Little Rock. This sold for $9.99. That was 50 cents. A Chevy Corvette original retro brand t-shirt. This went for $17.99. Vans t-shirt men's size medium sold for $12.49. Samsung Galaxy A2. I took 50 on this. I got it for $1. La Tasty by Amy Off-White cropped lace straight sleeve, $21.99. That was $1 on that. Men's Outfitters Ridge Blaze orange hunting vest, 3XL, $12.99. $1 for that. Taco Bell employee t-shirt, extra large, $17.99. $1 on that one. Comcast Xfinity XB7T gigabit modem, Wi-Fi router, no power cord. That sold for $19.99. Chaps Ralph Lauren shirt, men's large white seersucker, short sleeve pocket, $17.99 on that. U.S. Army cold weather camouflage field parka jacket, $49.99. That's a good one there. These Danskin Now red running shorts, size large, sold for $13.99. Eaton shirt, size 15, sold for $24.99. Levi's pants, beige 2XL, cargo taper stretch, sold for $14.99. And ATV gun and bow rack grasper, another one of these rack holder things, sold for $22.99. I can't think of the brand right now for some reason. All right, that's right. All right, RITE. A 20-inch Wonder Treats porcelain girl doll with a pink outfit went for $19.99. That is it. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. If you like the video, please like the video, and I will see you at the next yard sale.